Want to spice up your love life? And at the end, I will tell you how to use garlic for better sexual performance. This superfood has been boosting bedroom performance for centuries. Here's how it can take your sex life to the next level. 1. Boosts blood flow. Garlic contains allicin, which improves circulation and helps send more blood to all the right places, enhancing stamina and performance. 2. Increases testosterone. Studies show that garlic stimulates testosterone production, the key hormone for male libido and sexual drive. Part 3. Reduces stress and anxiety. Garlic lowers cortisol levels, helping you stay relaxed and confident in the moment. No more performance anxiety. Blood Drop 4 supports heart health. A strong heart means better endurance. Garlic keeps your arteries clean, reducing the risk of erectile dysfunction. Plate and utensils. How to use it. Crush a clove and let it sit for 10 minutes before eating, or mix it with honey for a natural libido booster. Try adding garlic to your diet and feel the difference. Have you tried it? Let me know in the comments.